Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can blur your stories, well, pictures or videos on your stories. So let's get right into it. Now, this is useful if you want to hide something on your story or if you just want to make the story a bit more artistic. So let's get right into it. Firstly, you want to start posting your story. Click on the plus icon on the bottom center of your screen, and then once you're there, just select story. Now, as you can see at the bottom, you have all of these effects which you can scroll from, and you can scroll and find the blur here, possibly if it is located there for you. However, if you scroll all the way to the right and you don't find it, just click on browse effects and then go to the search in the top left. Just hit the sort of looking glass icon and then search for a blur effect, for example like this. And as you can see, you have a couple of different blurs. You can, well, select whichever one you want, for example this one, and now I have the blur effect active on my story. And if I swipe down and start using this effect, I will very easily be able to blur my story or people's faces on my story, and it just depends on you which blur filter you use. But in essence, that is pretty much all you need to do. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.